Good afternoon, Your Honor. 2.5 hours to get here today, with normally take 28 minutes. Major accident down there at top of the road exit.
You set to go on the record?
Let's go.
All right. All right, we're on the record here today. Case of, sorry about that. State of Arizona versus Mark Brown, CR 24-006481. We're also here on CR 24-00482 and CR 24-00483. Mr. All is present in the courtroom along with Mr. Brown. And I believe we have Mr. Jarke, is that correct?
Yes, good morning. Good afternoon, rather.
Yeah, is here on behalf of
The city.
the city. Hang on just a second.
Making money while the sun shines. Let's start to.
All right, we're here today after I set the hearing based on your motion, Mr. Ald, to withdraw as the attorney of record, and in there you indicated that Mr. Brown wanted to represent himself.
That's not correct, though.
Okay.
That was not correct. He did give me a
Well,
pamphlet.
why don't we let first Mr.
Yeah.
Ald speak, how's that?
Yeah,
Yeah, we discussed the fact that I needed to withdraw, and he agreed and said, yes, you
Yeah.
can withdraw.
Okay.
I don't think he's changed his mind on that issue, have you?
no,
Okay.
no. I wanted, but the issue is not that I didn't ask that I want to represent myself. That's not the issue.
I'm only references on page 2, lines 10 through basically 22 is what's in there.
Yeah.
But if you, so you're requesting that I
Yeah.
appoint another attorney here today?
We met up. We met up at Carl's Jr. and he already had it written out, and I told him that. But yeah, but anyway, I signed it, and because the main fact is that he wants to withdraw, and I'm okay with that. I mean, I don't have any problem.
All right, so we do need to then appoint you another attorney?
Yes, because I'm not saying I want to represent myself. If I get forced into doing it, I will. But I understand this is a very time-consuming case. There's already 30 hours of depositions in this or interviews in this case with the police officers and some witnesses. So there's just a whole lot to this case. It ain't going to be, the three main things that the problem is with is he don't have enough time and he don't get paid enough, and I'm worried about, they don't mind paying the prosecutors good money. So if that's the problem, we need to pay the guy more to represent me, because this case is going to be a longer case. It ain't going to be no quick, easy case.
All right, so I will go ahead and grant the motion.
Thank you, Judge.
I have indicated in here, an order that you transfer the file to the new attorney.
Be happy to.
Yeah, and I will, also put the contact information to that attorney. I'm going to appoint, looking for the name here. Doug Taylor is your attorney.
He's a good lawyer.
And his contact information will be in here. If you could give him about 10 days before you contact him though, so we know that the transfer's been made. And Mr. Darke, if you would also, send Mr. Taylor a copy of the disclosure so we can be sure he's getting the whole thing from 2 different sources. Okay?
Yes.
I'll make it available to Mr. Taylor. He and I know each other. Thank you.
All right. Is there anything more I can do then today?
I don't think so, Judge. Is there a next court date that they all need to be advised of?
We have another court date, as I recall, it's sometime in September, if I'm not mistaken.
I think, yeah, the Ninth Circuit check date was in September.
Yeah, so that is the next
Okay.
court date. Let me,
And who's the prosecuting attorney on this case? I couldn't make out his name. Is it Vince?
yes.
Because I don't know Vince's last name. Yep.
September 10th, 2025 is the next attorney, next
Yep.
date we have here.
Yes,
Okay?
I'm fine with that.
All right.
I'm an air conditioning guy.
Yeah, all right. Excellent. So
I need the summer.
let me, I'll just put a note in the order that the September hearing is still, scheduled. All right. I have printed all the minute entries, and I think we're all set. We'll go off the record. Thank you, Mr. Darke, for appearing.
Thank you. Thank you, Your Honor. Have a good day.
Thank you, you too. You, and Brian can get a copy of that, that has the phone number. All right, do we have, next is 2 o'clock, or do we have a 1:30?
What is your name, sir?
Alex?
Last name?
Okay, 1:30. All right, State of Arizona versus Alex, is it Quijada?
Quijada.
Quijada. CR 24-010904. The defendant is present in the courtroom. We're here for a review hearing.
Your Honor, did you give him a new court date?
No, I just verified the one in September.
Yeah,
Oh, got it. Oh, this was that.
that's my new court date, September 10th.
Yeah.
Thank you.
All right, we'll see you then. So, looks like you did the evaluation in for the alcohol evaluation. Did they recommend any treatment at that time?
Excuse me, sir.
I want you to sign my paperwork.
What's that?
I want you guys to meet me at his truck and sign my paperwork. You
Yeah.
and Roy. Okay?
Yeah. Hey, on the way out, talk to Richard real quick.
He's probably not gonna be there.
We'll see.
He is in there?
Yeah.
He said he's not gonna talk to me. I won't. he's
Yeah,
not
but
gonna
try.
talk to me.
Yeah,
I
that's,
can talk to him.
yeah, because I'm going to be recording it, so just, yeah.
One outside.
Let's make a little bit of a video for me.
Two in the hallway in the elevators.
You still on?
No, no.
Really?
Yeah, that.
Wow.
Did you want to do your interview right next to
Stuff
it?
around all
Huh?
over.
Did you want to do your interview down there too, or did you want to do it?
What interview?
I don't know, like, you know how you usually like, you know, this guy right here fucking attacked me, and you know what I mean?
Yeah, I was gonna, I'll tell all that to the new lawyer, and we'll see how it goes.